Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of January 20th through the 26th. It is the last full week of January, which is crazy. But this week has Chinese New Year in it on Saturday, and I didn't find a kit I really wanted to use that goes with that, but I found this New Year kit that's red and gold, and so I thought that kind of fit in with the colors. This is a Happy Planner kit from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest, but I think I can make it work with just this stuff here. So part of what I did is I took these two full boxes and I cut them down into header size strips, and then I left the rest the same. They'll cover up one and like a box plus a header plus a little bit each. So I think that I can probably make this work. So my plan is to just leave the date covers as is. I think they will go with the colors. And then I found a ton of washi. These two are from Amazon or from Michaels. I think these are all from Amazon. This is Michaels and maybe Michaels, I'm not sure. And then these couple are from Michaels, and then this one here is from AliExpress. So I think what I'm gonna do, so I think I want to use this one on the bottom, and then what do I want to put with it? I could do the pink polka dot. That would work. I don't know. The glitter I just don't like as that for some reason. The red doesn't exactly match, but I think it kind of goes. So maybe I'll use these two. All right, sure. So I'm going to use these two on the bottom. And then my plan is to use this one as the top row headers and this one as the bottom row headers. And then I'm going to put these through the middle. So I will get started with the headers and the bottom washi, and I will be right back. That's what I'm going to try. So I'm going to put this one right here. So as you can see, it covers up like half the header. So there's that. And then I feel like the black and red are both very intense. So maybe I will put the black ones next. So because this one's going on the sidebar, I feel like this one needs to go on this page. So this one also has the girl in it, but she's tiny. So I'm going to put her on this page. This one's like clocks. I actually really like this pattern. I think it's really cute. All right. There's that one. Then I think I'm going to do the pink ones next. So as I said, this one kind of matches what's going to go on the sidebar. I did not cut this very well. They're just like Cricut scissors I've had for forever. They're not very good, but they do the job. There's that one. And then this pink one goes here. I don't think this week is going to be very eventful, but that is okay with me. I just need to have time to keep going with my job search. Hopefully have a little time to like relax or whatever. So hopefully I can do those things during this week. Alright, so there's my full boxes. I think I'm just going to stick the headers directly underneath them. Rather than covering it up to make it just a full box. I can lose a little bit of space. I think that's going to be fine. So, let me see if I cut these. I'm going to start at the bottom because the top two are like the most neutral. So I could use these top two as like little things if I need to during the week. Alright, I'm going to try to go in order and hopefully not tear any of these. So yeah, this week is just going to be a lot of applying for jobs, preparing for Chinese New Year. We'll probably make like dumplings. I'm not sure what else. We only have one day of curling this week because we have a bye on Tuesday. So that's just a week off. We might sub in, we'll see. So we might end up still playing, but I'm not going to plan on that right now. Other than that, I don't think I really have anything scheduled. All right, let's see if I can get these straight. It's like a little lower, but I don't think it's really noticeable. All right, that is the main foundation, and then there is a weekend banner here. I think I'm going to cut these up because they're happy planner length, so they're too long, but I don't really like need 5 at a time anyway. Just going to stick that right there. And then for the sidebar, this is actually a little bit wider, I believe, than a regular box. I also apparently cut it out very poorly. Let me see if I can get it up without tearing it. So if you look, it's a little bit wider. It's actually a little bit too wide in general. Now of course I have to try to set it back down. Alright, that's close enough. So typically hang on one second. Alright, I'm back. So typically a box in either a Happy Planner or in the Erin Condren is 1.5 inches wide, and this is 1 3/4. So I am just going to mark this at 1.5 from this side. This is the side that has all the like interesting stuff on it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to trim this down to 1.5 wide. And then I'll have like this little strip left, which I could definitely use. I'm like risking cutting this on top of my planner. So I could use this little strip for something. It's now the same width as a header. So I could have cut this down to be a header, but I didn't. But I'm sure there's something I can use that width for. So I'm just going to stick this down. as straight as I can. And then there's like a little bit of space down here at the bottom. I'm trying to see if there's like a washi I want to use. Yeah, so I'm just going to stick this piece of washi down here at the bottom just to cover the last couple of rows of dots. Totally not straight, but also not really noticeable. So my sidebar is all done. I don't really have that much going on this week that I need to track. So I'm fine with just using a decorative sidebar instead of trying to be actually functional. Okay, so for the plans this week, the big thing going on, which is super not exciting. I'm just gonna use my hands. It'll be fine. This is a Agenda 52 book I got at Hobby Lobby. I am just going to mark down work using these little black circles with dollar signs on them. I'm just gonna pull all 5 I need right now because that's just easier. So every day I am working. This is like sinking. Okay, so that is that. I have nothing else scheduled for Monday. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I still work on Monday, so I'm not sure that there's like a good way to mark it. So I'm just gonna not mark that one, actually. I also have, I'm going to pull 2 of these. This is a Happy Planner book. They're just these little arrows that say phone call. So I have a Skype call, actually. They're not really phone calls, but I do alumni interviews for my alma mater for potential like applicants. So I have one of those on Monday, and then I also have one of those on Tuesday. So I will mark those in as well. And that is pretty much the first half of my week. I told you it was really boring this week. All right, on Thursday and Friday, I am working. So put those in. Thursday, we have curling. So these are from Prairie Planner for curling stickers. I'm just going to take one that says match. And I'm going to put it on this side because I want to put that it's a late game on this side. Friday is also the start of the Lunar New Year readathon. So for this one, for this whole weekend, it's being hosted by Lazy Book Lovers and Remarkably Lisa. And they're doing a readathon for the Lunar New Year. And it's themed around just reading Asian authors and books that have Asian main characters, predominantly romance, but not strictly required. By the time you guys see this, the readathon will already be over, but definitely follow them anyway because they're awesome people. So I'm going to take these 2 little strips that I had, and I'm going to put one on Friday. I think I'm going to put it like right here. And I'm going to take from this same, like this is a book from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take one of these tiny gold hearts and just stick it in the middle. And then I will mark that. And then on Sunday, I'm also going to put it, I'm just going to put it at the top even though it goes through all day Sunday. There we go. Okay, and then Saturday, is Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year. So I'm going to put that up at the top. I'm using the sticker from the same set. It's a little bit too long. So this is from that same sticker book from Dollar Tree, and it just says special day. Hopefully I cut it right now. Oh yeah, that's good. And then I'll just write in Lunar New Year below that. Okay, so that is all my pre-planning. Really short this week. I'm gonna fill it in with the iHow 0.38 pen I always use, and I will be right back. All right, there's my finished pre-planning, and if you stick around for just a second, you can see how the week turns out. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I like the bits of like gold, which I should have used more of, and black. In terms of leftovers, I have 3 checklists. I'll put them in my leftovers, and that's all I have. So we'll go through everything. If I don't mention it, it comes from the kit, which is from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. It's hard to say. All these little dollars are from an Agenda 52 set. I found those at Hobby Lobby. This skinny washi is from Amazon. These phone calls are from a Happy Planner book. This is a leftover from Britannia and Nicole. The bottom washi are both from Michaels. This is a sticker I got off AliExpress from a Korean shop. This washi tape is from Amazon, I believe. The face mask, this is a leftover, I don't know from where. The face mask is from Piper Paper Company. Another leftover, I think probably from Plannerology Studio, but I'm not sure. The match is from from the Prairie Planner. The tiny heart is from a planner book from Dollar Tree. This is a leftover from Planner Envy. This is from Piper Paper Co. The special day is from that same book from the Dollar Tree. This is a Avery from Creative Cavern Studio. This is also from Creative Cavern Studio. Another heart from that book from Dollar Tree. This is from Creative Cavern Studio and from Creative Cavern Studio. And that is everything. As always, please like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see the finished spread with all the shops tagged and in progress spreads during the week. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!